Welcome to the Scibids Demo. In today's session, we will provide a comprehensive overview of Scibids AI and highlight the seamless integration of Scibids with the TTD DSP. In this video, we will demonstrate the step-by-step process of setting up your campaigns in the Scibids UI. We will also illustrate the significant impact it can have on your TheTradeDesk DSP seat. Throughout the demonstration, we will showcase three screens: the Scibids UI, the TradeDesk before implementing Scibids, and the TradeDesk after integrating Scibids. Let's first take a look at the Scibids UI. Here you can find all the campaigns to which you have given access to across your different DSPs. For this video, we'll take a look at the TradeDesk campaign. As usual, you will find information about this campaign in the UI, as its media cost at day 1. Its fit score that indicates how fit it is to be optimized by Scibids. Click on the Add button on the right of the screen to plug Scibids on this campaign. Now, before we plug the campaign, let's go and see what it originally looked like in the TradeDesk before activating Scibids AI. Here we can see a typical campaign in the TradeDesk with information about its main KPIs, flight dates, budget details. Going into the campaign budget and flights, we can see that the auto allocator is activated. Looking at the fee settings, we see the Scibids fee can be set directly within the TradeDesk UI. Back at the campaign level, we have the spending curve, the campaign default rails, which are the basic setups on the campaign. By clicking on an ad group, we have the same level of information with details on the setup and optimizations. Here we can see that COA optimizations are activated and the predictive clearing is on. Going back, we have information on the changes made by the DSP at the ad group level by clicking on the Activity tab at the top. By clicking on those, we can see the bid factors pushed by COA for the ad group, for example. We have seen our campaign in the TradeDesk. Now let's plug Scibids on it. Back in the Scibids UI, we can now click on Add to plug Scibids on our campaign. Now, 4 easy steps have to be completed to instruct the AI with necessary information about the campaign optimization. The first one being the core setup. The 4 first fields, budget type, business model, margin constraints, KPI, concern the revenue model of your campaign and are automatically filled with the setup observed by Scibids AI in your DSP. You are then invited to indicate the source of truth regarding the attribution of your campaign. Finally, you can add a maximum and a minimum CPM target that the AI needs to respect. We are now in other important metrics. You're invited to fill the optional viewability constraints you may have and also the max frequency cap you need to respect on your campaign. Next step, authorized overwritings. That's where you'll choose what can be overwritten or not by Scibids AI. There are 5 different overwritings available. Viewability settings, automatically authorized if you indicated a viewability constraints in the previous step. Budget distribution between ad groups, time parting, fold position, creative activity status. Once you have filled these steps, a final step is required to confirm your selection. If everything looks good, then you can validate and Scibids AI will push its models just a few hours later. Scibids AI is now ready to optimize your TheTradeDesk campaign according to the brief and constraints we instructed. Let's go back to the TradeDesk and see what happened to our campaign after a few days of Scibids being activated. First, looking at the performance, we can see that they have improved over time. At the campaign budget and flight level, we can see that the auto allocator is deactivated. Looking at the campaign fees and rates, we can see that Scibids fees are set. The TradeDesk can do in-platform billing of the Scibids AI fee, making the invoicing seamless. Now, if you go back into our ad group, we see that COA optimizations are deactivated. This is the only COA feature that Scibids overrides. All other COA features are compatible with Scibids, and we actually recommend their usage to our clients. In terms of optimization styles, Scibids AI added a lot of them, such as ad environment, format, device, geography, etc. They are linked to variables leveraged by Scibids AI to drive more impact on the campaign KPI. Going a bit more into the details in the Activity tab, here we can see that the AI assigned bid factors to each of the dimensions that we saw in the optimization tiles. We can see, for example, a very specific and precise bid factor being allocated to each website and website categories. This level of granularity is being applied to all campaigns, ad groups, variables that Scibids AI optimizes. Our campaign is now being optimized by Scibids, which will refresh its custom models at the ad group and campaign level every time it's necessary. That's how Scibids AI works at scale across all your campaigns and DSPs. Thank you for watching.